Hi guys, how are you all? Today we'll see iPhone 12 Pro Max and how you wanna buy it and what you have to do to get a cheap price in US, and at the end we'll see the unboxing of 12 Pro Max. I just received my 12 Pro Max today. It's 13th November. I pre-ordered last week on 6th November at T-Mobile store. So as the deliveries are today, like I am the one of the few customers to whom the product delivered on the first day. So the price for iPhone 12 Pro Max, if you buy from Apple, you can see here it's 1099 plus tax. So along with tax it's 1193. If you convert to Indian price, it's around 84,000. But if you're buying from Apple India website, it's 1,30,000. So it's 45,000 difference. So there's a way to get a phone at around 50,000 or 56,000. This phone. So here I compared all the networks in US, the carriers for network prices and iPhone 12 offers, and for me I felt like T-Mobile is the best. Here you can see this is a new offer they released just a week back. So if you have any old iPhone for a trade-in for iPhone 12 Pro or Pro Max, you'll get up to $950 off on 12 Pro. So it's like you just need to pay $50 and $90 tax. So for $140 you can get iPhone 12 Pro Max. So here you can see it's for 30 or 24 monthly bill credits. I'll tell you what it is here. So I'll show you the offer here. This is for already existing T-Mobile customers. If they have any of these phones, they'll get around 500 off on the new phone. If you are a new customer and you are coming from a different network, or if you are taking a new SIM, you will get more discount. That is around $830 on iPhone XR. So what I did is I bought iPhone XR from Amazon, which is a renewed product. It's like a used product for $400, and I gave it to T-Mobile and they gave $830 off on the iPhone Pro Max. Here this is my phone. I paid $350 down payment and the price is $1,099. So for $350 I paid, and remaining I have to pay $750. For that I already gave my device of $830 value, so they're deducting $26 each month. Normally I have to pay $32 each month for the device. They're deducting $26 from the device which I gave. So it's like I just need to pay $5 per each month. Normally when you give a device, they gave $830 credit for iPhone XR. So it's like $830 by 24. So 26 each month they'll credit into my account. So for this phone I need to pay 31. So this is like they're deducting from my account and this is crediting. So it's like you need to deduct 26 from 31. It's like $4.82. So when you include everything, it's like I got the iPhone for around $830, something like that. So it's 57,000 in Indian rupees. So here you are getting 1,30,000 phone for just 57,000. Normally this phone should be locked, but which they are giving is unlocked phone. So I tried a different network SIM card in this phone. It's working perfectly. So if you know anyone in US and they are coming to India and they are in a different network and they have the old phone and they don't want to take any new phone, they can convert to T-Mobile. They can buy this device in Amazon and they can give it, and they can take iPhone 12 Pro Max and they can give it to you in India for 56,000, and they can use the T-Mobile network in the old phone. So it's like you'll get the phone for 56,000. And I tried the T-Mobile 5G network. In some areas the speeds are pretty good. Here you can see the download speed is 162 Mbps and upload is 22. it depends on the areas which you are living. The area which I am living is, these are the speeds. Here you can see T-Mobile 5G. On the top you can see the 5G. That's it guys. Now you can see the unboxing of the phone. Watch full video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, share these videos. We are doing many videos coming soon. We are doing the unboxing of iPhone 12, 12 Pro, and comparing 3 models, and Apple Watch Series SE. Hi guys, here we have iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's a Pacific blue color. You can see the box size has been decreased for 12 models, and this is somewhat bigger when compared to Pro and Mini.
Try tapping above to edit.
As we all know, in 12 models there's no charging brick included. You need to buy separately for $20. The iPhone Apple sticker is somewhat bigger in Max model this year when compared to the old models, and we just have USB Type-C to lightning cable for the charging brick. Now we'll open the phone. It's very sleek design. You can see the color Pacific blue. It's very good compared to other colors. Here you can see backside the bump of the camera. It's very big as it has 3 cameras. It's a new design which Apple used in Apple 4 and 5 models iPhone. It's made up of ceramic display. It's 4 times hard than the normal Gorilla Glass, and it's 6.7 inch OLED display. It's the largest smartphone and largest iPhone ever made. It has the highest battery backup, and the battery is 3687 mAh. It has 20 hours of playback. And the cameras, here we have one primary camera, tele lens, and a wide camera. It has 2.5 times of zoom, which is equivalent to 65 mm of digital camera, and 12 times digital zoom. And it has a 6 GB RAM. Even though it's less compared to Android phones, iPhone, it's very good. Apple is best known for making smooth phones with less storage of RAM. And it has 2778 by 1284 pixel resolution at 458 pixel per inch, and it has a IP68 rating. As everything is closed, you can use this even though in rain or any like situation. Even though anything happens, the water doesn't go inside. And it comes with Apple's new A14 Bionic chip, which is super fast. Here we can see, as it's a new phone, they gave 3 months of Apple Arcade for free, and as usual they're giving 1 year of Apple TV for free. These subscriptions you can use internationally, like you can use the US subscription in India, and you can share it up to 5 members of the family. And this year Apple phone comes with a wireless charging, which is called a MagSafe. It will be here, it has a round magnet where you can use the MagSafe and you can charge it. That's it guys, the unboxing of 12 Pro Max.